Okay, guys, let's now accept or reject the friendship directly from the page of the guest by clicking the button. Okay, so we are now going back to our Xcode project. We will go to the guest view controller because in this view controller we're gonna declare this behavior of our user interface where we can just simply program different behaviors. And it's super simple since we have been implementing the action sheet function, so it it won't be anything challenging for us. Okay, so I will scroll to the more closely to the bottom, right before we call friend button. Clicked here, I'll write show action sheet button, open and close round brackets, then open curly brackets. So first we'll create sheet. Let sheet equals to UI alert controller, open the round bracket, select title. Title will be, let's say, nil, no title. Message will be also nil, and preferred style will be action sheet. Great. After that, we will create the button. First, we'll start from the delete because this is how Facebook is doing. UI alert action. Open the round bracket. Select the title will be delete request. Style will be destructive. Handler here we will handler here we will write action, and here we'll program delete buttons handler. Okay, so after that we have a confirm. Let confirm equals to UI alert action. Open the round bracket, select with the title. It will be confirmed friend. Style will be default, and handler will be action. And after that we have got the cancel button. Let cancel equals to UI alert action. Select title will be cancel, and style will be cancel as well, and the handler will be nil. There is no handler. Okay, we'll now add all of these buttons to the action sheet. Sheet equals to add actions, delete, and the same we're doing for the confirm, and the same we're doing for the cancel. After that, we want to show this uh, action sheet. We'll just write present view controller, which is sheet animated true completion handler nil. Here we are declaring action sheet. Here we are declaring delete button. Here we are declaring confirm button. And here we are creating or declaring cancel button. Here we are assigning all buttons to the sheet, and here we are showing sheet. Okay, this function creates action sheet and its behavior. Okay, so for the delete, first of all we want to set the request, like whenever request, it's a trigger, so we want to set, if we remove request, so it means it's no more requested, so it means no more request, which means 0. Okay, so and then we need to update the button, self update button, which is a friend button, and let's put the icon unfriend. Title will be add, and the tint color will be dark gray, or the entire color will be dark gray color. That is the one. Okay, update button, and then we will update the status on the server. Update status on the server. Here we will write self dot update friendship request. The action will be reject, and friend, the user ID, in this case it will here the user, the one who is declining, means if someone sent us the or send you or send to the current user the request, then he will be the one who will be declaring it. So user ID will be the ID, means guest user ID, and the current user, he will be the one who got cancelled, or who cancelled. So the thing is that friend ID is always the one who got targeted by somebody. Let's say in this case, let's say Bradley, he wants to make friendship with a Jennifer Lawrence. In this case, Jennifer Lawrence, she is a friend ID and Bradley Cooper is user ID. So that's why Jennifer Lawrence will put as a friend ID, which is a current user. Okay, so I will copy this and I will insert it for the confirm. But for the confirm here, instead of 0, it will be 3. So 0 means no friendship, 1 means a request is sent, 2 means request is received, and 3 means there are friends. So the icon here will be friends.png, and here the title will change to the friends, and the icon will be of color helper.facebook color, and update friendship request with the confirm. Okay, so that is it, and then we will call this action sheet here by writing else if statement. Else if request equals to means request is received by current user. Then we will show action sheet. If the request is received by the current user, when we click on this, then it will show the action sheet. Okay, which is excellent. And then one more thing is, let me write here a comment. Already request is sent by current user. This is important. Currently not requested. So that one means current user did not send a request of friendship, or current user neither sent request of friendship nor received it. Okay, so this is how it works. Let's check it out. Okay, so I'm going to Lisa Nicole Kidman, and here we go. So here we got this. Okay, let me delete it. So now it got removed. So she had the ID 5, I believe so. Okay, she's gone. Then we have a Jackie Chan, which is 5, yes. Let's confirm him. Okay, one more is gone, and he must be here among the friends. Yes, he is. Excellent, and the icon is showing the right one. And Samuel L. Jackson, which is ID 6. Let's delete request, and he's gone as well. So amazing and outstanding. And one more thing is, what we want is, let's say I'm going to Bradley Cooper and I will make a confirm the user. I click it one more time, so then we want to let's say cancel him or delete him from our friendship. So this is also super easy, can be for all of us guys, and we can easily achieve it. Okay, but one more thing is, if we accepted Bradley Cooper, so we need to update this part. Okay, for this one we will need notification center. Okay, this notification center, it must be received by the friend view controller. So this notification center under the name friend, we must receive in the friends view controller. I'm coming to the view did load. Here is the one. notification center. When also we receive this notification center, we just need to add one more and execute another function, which is load requests. Okay, I'll just manually create some requests here from user 1 to 2, from user 3 to 2. And for that one, don't forget to add at objc. Okay, so it means for the load requests, if you're calling it for the notification center to be executed, this we need to add it. But Xcode will advise you to update this. Okay, so the project is getting built. Okay, so here we got Bradley Cooper. I will confirm his friendship. I'll come back. So he disappeared. Very good. So Daniel Craig, I removed him. So he must disappear as well. Okay, so I think he's not getting deleted from requests. Yes, he got deleted, but it didn't update our requests table. Okay, we'll go now to this function and here we will just try to check it. So the issue is with when we delete the request. So here I'll just quickly enter some manual. I'll just quickly enter some requests and we'll check it how it works. So we deleted. He got deleted. Excellent. And we removed that one as well. Okay, so the thing is that even if we delete it, it seems that there are still people staying in our array even though there is nothing here. Okay, what we will do in the load requests, when it passes the stage of the error, when it's first time getting loaded, so we will remove all requested users dot remove all, keep capacity false. So then again, requested users skip will be equals to 0 because we're refreshing everything. The requested users avas dot remove all, keep capacity false. It means reload content of arrays. So now it will work very well. So I just added 2 more just to testify. Okay, so here I will write delete request, only one, and again we're doing the same for Nicole Kidman. Okay. So actually mistake, because this block of code, it must be not here, it must be right over here, and I will explain you why. And don't forget to write here self friends table view dot reload data. So what happens is when I'll show you now. So we must have here several requests. I'll show you. Okay, so we're running the project. I will delete the request of the Bradley Cooper, so he got deleted. I'll come here and I will delete this request. Now Xcode executed the entire function, which is a load request. What it happened, it came here, it came here, it came here, it came here, then it start searching the, start executing the, sending the HTTP request, then it checked the error, no errors, then it came here, no data errors, then it accessed JSON, no errors, then it tried to access requests, means total requests. Here it fails, mean it cannot access requests because there are no requests, so then it executes that one, and here it returns. So that's why we need it here, because in these closures it returns. Okay, I'll come back here, so no requests over here. So this is how does it work. Okay, we've done with this, and the final moment will be to work with them if there are already friends. Okay, and what we actually want is on the guests page, if we have made already the friendship with a person, so then we want to do a little different manipulation. So let's say we're going to the Bradley Cooper and we confirm his friendship. Now when I click on him, so there must be also a friend, there must be also action sheet. So I'm coming to the guests view controller, and we're going to the function where the button clicked, friend button clicked. Here we'll write else if request is 2, means there are request is received by the current user, means friendship request, don't forget it. Okay, great. So here we will now write else if requested equals 3, then again show action sheet. That one means users are already friends. Okay, great. Now we're going to the action sheet, and here we'll do a minor manipulation. And here, after adding the button, or before adding the button, here we'll do a minor manipulation. We'll write here if requested is not equals 3, which means already friends. Then only add this button. Show confirm button in the action sheet only if users are not already friends. Okay, so we can now build and run, and we will be able to remove the friendship. Actually, I believe, guys, it will be better for us to create a separate function which will delete the user from being a friend of current user. Okay, so I won't touch it. I'll keep it as it is, and here we will come back to it, means delete friend. Okay, so here mainly we are done, guys, with this video. Then we'll go further to delete friend, and also we'll go to the stage where we will be checking when, for example, when we search for Bradley Cooper, we'll check is he already a friend or he's not yet a friend. For example, we receive the inquiry of Daniel Craig. Let's say when we search him, we want to change this icon if we already received his request. Okay, this is what we will do, guys. Okay, so it was a pleasure. Thank you. Let's go and progress further.